We've categorized our staff, we fixed combo conflicts, we have found and fixed all those duplicate images. But what about finding students who don't have their pictures? Well, let's compare to our class list. Before we begin, make sure that your school secretary downloads a CSV file that contains your students' names, grade, teacher, and room. Once again, this works best as a CSV file. I'm going to click to select. I'm going to find that school list. And now I'm going to map. What information do I want? You know what? I want the student's ID. Ooh, if it comes in first name, last name, I could do that. If it came last comma first, that's true. But you know what? I am going to do last name and then first name. This is my section, my teacher, and room number. Process and compare. I'm going to close out of this for right now and look at this list. Ooh, Susanna needs a photo. Mateo needs a photo. Albert, Alex, and Patty. I know their grades, their teachers, their room numbers. Ooh, Hazel may no longer be a student at my school. Okay, then. Let's go find Hazel Duffy. She's no longer at our school. I'm just going to do a Control F, which helps me find things on the sheet. Note that I am on the images sheet. I'm going to type Hazel Duffy, and I'm going to delete this row. What else do I have? Carter. Oh, I have 4 Carters, so let me continue typing his name. All right. Delete. Now let's go back to the all name sheet and delete that row so that we have clean data. But you know what? Susanna wasn't there on picture day. Mateo is brand new. Alberto, Alex, and Patty, they all deserve their pictures in our yearbook. Let's go back into the Review Hub and generate missing photo letters. Let's identify where they can take their retakes, as well as a photo time, and modify that letter template. Select Generate Letters. And in just a moment, a Google Slides with a letter to each student will be created. I highly recommend that you click on the folder icon to move this file into our yearbook folder. Click Move. Now go to File and print this letter. Give a hard copy to the teacher who will pass it on to the student and their parent. Let's continue reviewing the data with Generate a Proof Sheet. In the 10 years that I've been working on a yearbook, there's always a few students where I have a picture, but I have no name or grade level. Print this proof sheet because then you can see the student's picture and what information we are missing. Hint, hint. Click share and share this with your office staff because they will most likely know their student name, teacher, and grade level. The office staff got back to us. Let's fix the missing info. I can type the student's name, their last name, add their section, identify their teacher, save, and next. And I can repeat it. Student's first name, last name, section, teacher, save, and next.